I tested an artificial intelligence business method for 30 days to offer and sell real prints created by AI. I went into great depth about the entire process, including designing, producing, and advertising. With my prints, I wanted to see how much money I could make because some people were reportedly making hundreds of dollars a day. Check out the rest of the video where I give you a step-by-step tutorial on how my journey went. The first thing I did was look for an AI art generator. I created an unlimited number of images using the free programs Midjourney, Night Cafe, and Stable Diffusion. I started with an incredibly enticing oil painting of chicken wings. My objective is to sell my AI artwork on the Etsy website, which specializes in arts and crafts. Despite their love for art, Etsy buyers don't just buy any old painting. It is my duty to research well-liked Etsy art categories and promote my work there. To find popular art topics, I first used a rank, an Etsy tool for researching keywords, and then I looked through the search suggestions on Etsy. I found a couple that combine mid-century modern abstract art and flowers. In order to succeed in at least one of the niches, the objective is to develop and promote in a multitude of them. Most artists on Etsy sell digital prints, or the artwork's digital file, mostly to customers who want to print the piece at a lesser cost by themselves. I have no interest in those customers. The trouble of printing should be avoided for customers who are prepared to pay. I've chosen to offer physical prints rather than digital ones because they often sell for more money and may generate more revenue with each sale. Does selling physical prints require me to pull out my printer? Not if I utilize print on demand, that is. A company using print on demand will only produce customized products and artwork for you in response to an order. They take care of everything, so you don't have to bother about handling the shipping, packing, or printing. I wish to use Printful as my print-on-demand service. They provide a variety of wall art products that can be printed, including canvases, framed posters, metal prints, and more. Listing a Printful product on Etsy is simple. You choose your sizes, link your accounts, upload your AI artwork, and add a new product. Yes, as you say, most AI art generators create images that are between 500 and 1,000 pixels wide, which is a low resolution. If I want to print my images large, I'll have to upgrade. Numerous paid and free AI image upscalers are accessible. Gigapixel artificial intelligence AI can upscale photos up to 6 times their original resolution by using AI to fill in the spaces. That's what I'm going to use. My AI artwork is ready to be uploaded to Printful, and surprise, it's up for grabs as a draft on Etsy. Now that my draft listing is for sale, it's time to make some changes. 5 essential conditions must be met for a product to be listed for sale on Etsy. The first is the images, which have to be polished mock-ups designed to entice customers. I looked it up on Google and found a bunch of free Photoshop mock-ups. My listing appears to have been updated with the addition of my artwork. Next is the title. Its main objective is to facilitate the listing's discovery through Etsy's search function and algorithm. I'll pack it with keywords associated with my area of expertise in artwork. Since tags and titles achieve the same goal, I'll utilize them in the same manner. The fourth element is shipping. Customers in the US and Canada love it, and Etsy even gives precedence to listings with it, so I'll provide free delivery to them. And speaking of which, cost is the last essential element. Since I offer my prints in various sizes, I have varied prices for each size. I use the rank profit calculator to determine pricing, accounting for all of my costs and aiming for a profit margin of between 30 and 45%. The smallest size, 5x 7 inches, is the exception, as it only yields a profit margin of roughly 25%. I purposely put it lower because your listing's lowest price appears on both your profile and in the Etsy search. I'll raise prices by 15% in order to draw customers. Then after that, I'll offer products for 15% less. This gives the impression of a good deal without compromising revenue. We're online with our initial listing. Let's do the same for all of my AI artwork. In the next 30 days, maybe we will see some sales. I focused on producing AI prints for the next 2 weeks, making 36 listings. My shop looked nice. Using search and Etsy advertisements are the 2 primary methods of getting people to view your listing on the platform. However, appearing in search results isn't a given, which leads us to the second option, purchasing advertisements. I don't think I'll need advertisements because I believe my listings are excellent enough to receive visitors from organic searches. That is, I believed. Now on day 15, nothing is going properly. I've had no sales and very few views or visitors to my listings. I charge less than others and have good art, photographs, titles, and tags. My listings don't seem to be specific enough. Listings on my site are booming. The source of the majority of these visitors is the direct and other traffic channel. That is nonsensical. I am not posting links to my Etsy shop anyplace. Google told me that those channel hits are probably bots. By day 30, I'm not even sure if I'll be able to sell one print. Now, I really am concerned. I had made 60 listings by day 26, 24 more than that, and still no sales. I spent $1 a day running Etsy advertising because I was worried and desperate. Things looked like my last chance, but I was hoping to keep things organic. The challenge has come to a close, and what a wild ride it has been. I closed the deal. Ads on Etsy had an effect. 5 days into their run, I had 1,765 views, 16 clicks, and 1 transaction. An AI art print of a purple peacock was sold by us. In addition, we made $45.98 in revenue from the sale of 2 AI art prints, measuring 5 by 7 inches and 16 by 20 inches. $17.50 for printing, $9.98 for shipping, and $3.56 for advertisements were my expenses. Transaction fees on Etsy were $2.99, processing fees were $1.99, seller fees were $2.25, and each listing cost 20 cents. I make $4.29 less than my net income. Even though money was lost, this wasn't a total loss. I could have sold another print and turned a profit if I had had more time. Anyway, this endeavor has taught me that it's not at all simple to sell AI art prints on Etsy. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, thank you and peace.